अभी इस चुनाव में भी कांग्रेस ने फिर से मुझे गालियां देने का काम शुरू कर दिया है।
This isn't just a casual remark by the Prime Minister but the reality of our current political discourse. Unable to win on the basis of work done, the opposition has time and again resorted to abusing PM Modi and his family. Once INDI ally Lalu Prasad Yadav was seen hurling immoral statements about the Prime Minister of the nation at a public rally.
अभी बोल दिया नरेंद्र मोदी कि हमको गोद ले लिया यूपी के हम बेटा है। आप पूछा था तुम्हारा बाप कौन है?
However, this isn't a solo incident. Very recently, Mamata Banerjee was seen using Sala to refer to Prime Minister Modi.
রেশন দোকানে রেশন যাবে, তাতেও প্রধানমন্ত্রীর ছবি আর বিজেপির লোগো থাকবে। সালা আমি না খেতে পেয়ে মরে যাব, তবুও আমি বলে দিচ্ছি যে আমি ওর মধ্যে যাব না।
Earlier, Congress spokespersons Pawan Khera and Supriya Srinath were seen with fellow Congress members raising slogans of Modi Tere Kabar Khudegi, calling for PM Modi's death. Pawan Khera has also targeted PM Modi's late father merely for low-level political gains.
जब अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी जेपीसी बैठा सकते थे तो नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी को क्या प्रॉब्लम? गौतम दास है दामोदर नाम भले दामोदर दास है, काम गौतम दास का।
Similar slogans were raised by AAP leaders following Manish Sisodia's arrest in the liquor scam case. Even if he was not the PM, is it correct to call for his death? Congress Party's national president Mallikarjuna Kharge too wasn't left behind in abusing PM Modi.
तुम्हारे को तुम्हारी सूरत कितनी बार देखना, कितने भाई क्या आपके रावण के जैसा 100 मुख है?
At another public event, he went on to call PM Modi a poisonous snake.
ಮತ್ ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ತಪ್ಪು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ, ಮೋದಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ವಿಷದ ಹಾವಿದ್ದಂಗೆ. ನೀವಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವಿಷ ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೆಕ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ನೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರಿ, ನೆಕ್ಕರು ಸತ್ತ.
In another instance, while speaking in the Lok Sabha, Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary didn't even keep the sanctity of the parliamentary house and abused Prime Minister Modi during the live session of Parliament.
कहाँ माँ गंगा और कहाँ गंदी नाली?
And who can forget senior Congress leader Manishankar Iyer throwing casteist slurs at the Prime Minister?
मुझको लगता है कि ये आदमी बहुत नीच किस्म का आदमी है।
During the 2014 Lok Sabha elections, he even demeaned Modi as a chai wala.
इस 21वीं सदी में नरेंद्र मोदी कभी भी देश के प्रधानमंत्री नहीं बनेंगे। लेकिन यहाँ आकर चाय का वितरण करना चाहते हैं तो हम उनके लिए कुछ जगह बना रखते हैं।
Another Congress leader, Imran Masood, issued open threats of chopping PM Modi's body into pieces.
वो गुजरात समझ रहा 4% मुसलमान है गुजरात में, यहाँ 42% मुसलमान है, यहाँ गुजरात बना देगा, साढ़े की बोटी काट देंगे जितनी।
DMK minister TM Ambarasan too was seen resonating Masood's words at a public meeting recently. Another DMK minister, Anita Radhakrishnan, went a step ahead and abused not just PM Modi but also his mother. In 2019, Rahul Gandhi, referring to Prime Minister Modi, threw the Chaukidar Chor Hai jibe time and again in the course of the party's electoral campaign. His sister Priyanka Gandhi continued the disgraceful acts and was seen enjoying when little kids were made to spew abuse on Prime Minister Modi. This is not just immoral but amounts to exploitation and harassment of children for political purposes. Even back in 2007, their mother and Congress Supremo Sonia Gandhi, the then party president, called PM Modi Maut Ka Saudagar or Merchant of Death. Finally, when Prime Minister Modi called Congress party out for their shameful behavior, exposing the times they hurled abuses directly at him and his mother in a rather insensitive statement, Priyanka Gandhi took a jibe at the PM for crying over abuses.
मैंने पहला ऐसा प्रधानमंत्री देखा है बहनों और भाइयों, पहला देखा है जो आपके सामने आकर रोता है कि मुझे गाली लग रही है, मुझे गाली दे रहे हैं.
While claiming to be a messenger of love, peace and nyay, the opposition alliance have done nothing but abuse and spread hatred. But the people of India have seen them for who they are and are ready to teach them a lesson real soon.
मैं डेली
2 किलो, 2.5 किलो, 3 किलो गाली खाता हूं। और परमात्मा ने मेरे भीतर ऐसी रचना कर दी है, ईश्वर ने ऐसे आशीर्वाद दिए हैं कि ये सारी गालियां मेरे अंदर प्रोसेस होके न्यूट्रिशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है।